Hey guys, this is Zane with Go Skate, and today we're going to teach you how to kickflip. Come on, let's go skate. Your kickflip probably looks something like this right now, and that's okay. This is one of the most common mistakes we see with people trying to learn how to kickflip. But why are kickflips so hard? Well, they're also so rewarding. So let's get right into it. You're probably afraid to commit to the kickflip because something like that might happen. And I've been skating for 20 years. What it teaches us is to get back up, figure out what we did wrong, and conquer that kickflip. If you want a kickflip like this, it's just going to take a few simple steps. For a lot of us learning how to kickflip, we can get the back foot on. And that's a good start because you're flipping your board. However, what it comes from is from opening your shoulders, being afraid to commit to the trick. You're essentially making it possible for you to see the trick, but at the cost of actually committing or landing it. What you want to do instead is to do your best to actually keep that shoulder over your board. As you can see here, I'm flipping the board with my shoulder over it and landing on the front foot. This is much more productive. If you're going to land with one foot, make it the right foot. And by right foot, we mean the front foot. Come on, let's get into the proper foot positioning though. To put things in perspective, I'm going to show you my ollie stance, which looks something like this. Pretty standard, front foot below the bolts, back foot on the tail, most of the toes in the ball. But when we adjust for a kickflip, I actually like to put my foot higher and more just the toes on both my back foot and my front foot. Similar to an ollie, both the back foot and the front foot have to work in tandem. So when you pop and you flick, there's a certain ease to the flip. This is created with the back foot using your toes on the left side of the board. As you can see, it's already flipping against where I would be flipping with my front foot. See? Imagine if my front foot was flicking off that nose, it would be providing extra tension to make the flick even easier and more efficient. Now, if you're a beginner skater, you're probably going to want to put your front foot lower on the board. But yeah, my foot's lower, and it actually allows me to almost double flip the skateboard. While this is great for a beginner, it's going to pose challenges later, and it is hard to keep your balance when you're not moving, but for a lot of people, keeping it towards the middle of your board is going to help you first learn the flick, which is ultimately the most important part. While it's easier said than done, it should all look something like this. But I'm going to try to break down the flick a little bit more for you. Notice in my crouch, I look similar to an ollie, but my front foot is definitely tilted for the proper flicking motion. Pop, almost the same as an ollie, catching the nose, but my front foot, since it's at that angle, is going to go off the nose in a flicking, versus just a catch when you do the ollie. Learning how to kickflip can be pretty tough. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let us know what type of videos you'd like to see in the comments below. And remember, have fun and go skate.